In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create page automation in Confluence. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can start automating those repetitive actions on your Confluence pages and save yourself some time. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to follow the on-screen setup to get your first automation up and running. First, open the Confluence space and page where you want to add automation. On the right-hand side of your page, look for the page sidebar. This is usually where you see things like page details, labels, and sometimes other page tools. Make sure you have the correct page selected because the automation you're about to create will be linked to this specific page or space context. Next, move your attention to the top right area of the page, where you'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is often called the More Actions menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu gives you additional options for working with your page that aren't immediately visible in the main toolbar. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Automate. It might be grouped with other advanced tools, so take a moment to scan through the list if you don't see it right away. Once you find Automate, click on it. This will open the automation panel or automation dashboard for your Confluence site, focused on the area related to your page. Inside the automation view, you'll see an option to create something new. Click on Create Automation. This is where you'll actually set up the rules for what you want Confluence to do for you automatically. You're now in the right place to define your triggers and actions. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Confluence will guide you through choosing a trigger, such as a page being created, updated, or transitioned, and then selecting what should happen next, like sending a notification, updating a field, or performing another action. Take your time to read each prompt carefully. If there are suggested templates, they can be a great starting point, especially if you're new to automation. Once you've gone through all the steps on screen, review your configuration, then save or turn on your automation rule. After that, test it by performing the action that should trigger it and confirm it behaves as expected. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to create page automation in Confluence, starting from your page sidebar and ending with a fully configured rule driven by the built-in prompts.